Audio Jungle.
So you're a small business. Obviously, part of that means you've got a little bit of a responsibility to your community. Talk about how you all show up in your community.
So we do a lot of sponsorships, and I will own that many of the sponsorships we do happens to coincide with the activities that my children do at this moment in time. I have so on my to-do list is to create an actual like community strategy about how I decide what organizations to donate to and what organizations to be involved in. But it's on my to-do list right now. It's like if my kids are involved, you get
Yeah,
sponsorship by the
congratulations.
laundry basket.
You get uniforms.
Right, yeah.
Yay.
And so but then something that we're doing our third annual sock drive this November. We started 3 Novembers ago. I was like, okay, how do we make something fun but also relevant to the laundry industry? And so everyone who owns a laundromat knows there are lost socks all day, every day, right? The number of single lost socks that we pick up off the floor and in dryers and everywhere is a lot. And so I was like, okay, for November, we're going to, for every single lost sock that we find, we're going to donate a brand new pair of socks to the local homeless shelter. And that first
great.
year, it really kind of took off, and we ended up getting a sponsorship from Bombas, and we ended up getting to donate over 900 brand new pairs of socks to the homeless shelter. And the news picked it up, and it just turned into this kind of fun thing. So that was the first year we did it, and now this is now the third year we're doing it. And this year, just because of the current state of the world,
Yeah.
we're not only donating a brand new pair of socks to the homeless shelter, but also a food item to the food pantry.
That's incredible. It's funny. You were setting that whole thing up, and I'm thinking, all I could think about in the back of my brain was Bombas. That sounds like Bombas. And then you're like, oh yeah, Bombas picked it up and sponsored it. How did that connection happen?
I apparently Bombas has like community representatives that they give socks to that then have to be dispersed in the community. And I had a friend who their neighbor was one of these community connections, and so we ended up getting this huge donation in. It was really awesome. Yeah.
That's really cool. That's talk about it. That's a fun brand to be aligned with, but also a nice values aligned one for you, I think, based on what I'm hearing you say.
Yeah.